going to Chicago with my family. I'm really excited. We're just taking a day trip. We're gonna go to the zoo and the Field Museum, probably go to Chinatown and maybe do some shopping. And yeah, I'm really excited. I have only been to Chicago one time, I think, maybe another time, like when I was younger, but we took the train last time, so we didn't get to spend very much time in the city. So I'm really excited to spend like the full day here instead of just spending 4 hours on a train and then having to go back early. Be sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications if you want to find out when my next videos are coming out. I usually do videos on travel and fashion, and obviously this is a travel vlog, which I will be doing a lot more of this summer.
Freezing?
Yeah.
Freezing!
Don't like the Windy City? What?
I hate this ice cream.
It is not that bad. I'm wearing a dress. If I can wear a dress, you could wear pants and a jacket and be fine. Love this panda. So squishy. The monkeys. Found your penguin.
Yes. And a panda.
Ooh.
I just wish they had a penguin squishmallow.
Penguins are 18.
On our way around the zoo, and there's nothing so far. McKenna?
This place, it's free for a reason.
It's free for a reason, apparently. So we can't find anything to see. Like half of the exhibits are not even there, and then the ones that are just birds so far. So, and the food is really pricey, which, well, is to be expected. But yeah, hopefully we can find some exhibits soon and have something to do. At least the scenery's pretty.
Yeah, the scenery's pretty.
And it is a pretty nice day, although it was freezing this morning. So there's that, all this pretty
There's not even any
foliage.
animals in there.
See, no animals.
That'd be a pretty big animal for the tops, just the jacks in the boat.
Finally.
there.
Oh gosh.
Where's its head?
That whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing is white. His head is white and a little bit of brown. The rest of it
Wait,
is
where's his head?
right here. It's the white part.
Oh my gosh. Look how big that's. No, that's the head. That right there is a head. That white thing, you see?
Yeah, looks like a rock.
Right there.
That leaf?
Yeah. That is the head, and the rest is right there.
Shape of a leaf, but that's his head.
Big, long snake.
Right there. That's his hand in the middle of his cool on.
That's a weird shape. Oh, dear goodness.
The branch.
Let me see.
He's green.
Oh, dear. We would be hiking today, and I did not wear the right shoes. Oh gosh, we went a different path to get back after we left the zoo, and this is what happened. A long walk. So we are leaving the zoo now, and we're gonna go to the Field Museum. We got really bored. After a bit, it's much less fun than the Indianapolis Zoo, for example, and now we're on a hike. So it'll take a while to get back to the car, and then we have to go find the museum, so that'll be fun. But yeah, overall it's been really fun though, just being out and about on a really nice day, even if it's cold. It did. We left them like before. Oh, yeah, it's been an hour. It was 1.
Yeah.
And about.
Yeah, it's been an hour trying to find this museum. Now I finally found it, and we're gonna go in and go.
We kept seeing the museum. We just couldn't get to the parking spot.
Yeah, I know. It was right there, but it was completely out of reach. Very irritating.
It was legit. We were right driving past. It was under us. Wouldn't tell us what. Oh, what are you doing? Don't record me.
Repeat.
I just said it was under us, and we were driving, and it kept telling us to turn right. The only thing right was an edge. So I'm like, I think Siri's trying to help.
It took us so long I fell asleep.
This is pretty cool. Yeah, it looks kind of like a totem pole.
Well, this isn't what I expected.
It's not what I expected either. Thing is huge.
Well, I go home now. I've seen it.
Well, we need to leave by 6 at the latest.
I'm gonna spend that long in Chinatown.
By the time we drive there, eat and everything, who knows what's going. So we left the Field Museum. What did you think of it, McKenna? At the latest, I meant. Now,
Kind of lame. It didn't have a lot there. I don't know. And the stuff that was cool, you had to pay extra for.
yeah, didn't really care for that.
One thing that was cool, and it was China.
And you had to pay extra to get in, so that was unfortunate. Okay, so we're gonna go to Chinatown now. We just left the Field Museum. We're gonna maybe get some dinner there and then possibly go home. It's about 3:15, 3:20 now, and so by the time we get there and then hang around a little bit, it might be time for dinner, and then hopefully we'll have to leave by 6. So yeah, it'll be really fun. Probably more fun than the Field Museum. We're on our way to Chinatown now, or we're in Chinatown, but you excited, McKenna? Favorite part of the trip?
What's on this? You have to be fun.
I agree.
I said I really like this place. In Mandarin.
McKenna thought I should tell you what she said.
Yeah.
She talks enough that I understand most of what she's saying. How's your ice cream, McKenna?
Amazing.
I know, it's so good. This is literally the best ice cream I think I've ever had. I've had a lot of ice cream. Alright, so we're leaving Chinatown now. We didn't decide to eat here, but we did get some really great ice cream. And now I think we're gonna get home. Go home.